Ang ating gagamiting base, no, ang ating atomic, no, na D15, loaded siya ng 1,200 watts, no. Ayan, at ito ang mid-high natin, yung column, no, na patan na D6.
Welcome back to my
So,
YouTube
ayan,
channel, Richard Vlogs TV.
Naka-ready
Please
to
subscribe to
sound
YouTube
check na
channel.
tayo,
Thank
mga
you for
paps, no.
watching.
Naka-on na yan lahat.
Don't forget follow, like, and share Facebook page.
Ngayon, ayan, naka-playback na tayo mga paps, no? Ngayon, magbo-volume lang tayo kasi naka-ready na tong ating setup, no?
Please subscribe YouTube channel.
Ayan.
Don't forget like, follow, and share Facebook page, Richard Vlogs. Like and share.
Ayan, mga paps, no?
Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Richard Vlogs TV. Please subscribe to YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget follow, like, and share Facebook page. Pang-dito tayo, accessories, no? Mayroon tayong isang crossover link, baby sinancer, saka live na equalizer, no? Ayan. At mayroon din tayong power conditioner na heater, ayan. Ayan, ito yung atin na natin na may power up. Ayan. Thank you.